Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to make a super long Canva design, maybe an ebook, workbook, or even a massive planner, only to hit that mysterious wall at 100 pages, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually bypass Canva's 100-page limit and combine multiple designs into one seamless mega PDF. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make projects longer than 100 pages, so you can create without hitting any frustrating roadblocks. Let's jump right in and walk through this together. So picture this, you've poured hours into designing a beautiful document in Canva and you're ready for the big finish, only to find that you can't add another page once you've reached 100. That page limit is a hard stop in Canva. It doesn't let you go any further within a single design. It can be a little frustrating, especially if your project just keeps growing. But don't worry, there's a clever workaround here. The trick is to split your project into chunks. Think of it like creating two separate books that you can later bind together. First, finish up your first 100-page design in Canva. Once you're done, click on the download button and save your design as a PDF. Now create your next set of pages, start a brand new design in Canva and add up to another 100 pages. When you're finished with your second batch, download that as a PDF too. So you'll end up with two separate PDF files, each containing 100 pages. Here comes the magic part, merging these two massive PDFs into one giant document. For this, we're going to use a free online tool called Smolpt. It's super easy and you don't need any special software. Open up your web browser and head over to Google. Just type in Smolpt and it should pop right up as one of the first results. Click on their website. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says Merge PDF. It's usually right on the front page or under the Tools menu. Click Merge PDF and you'll see a screen asking you to choose your files. Here, where you'll upload those two Canva PDFs you saved earlier, just hit the Choose File button, navigate to where your files are saved on your computer and select both documents. It might take a moment for them to upload. Don't worry if it's not instant, especially if your files are large. Once both files have loaded in, Smolpt will show you a preview. If you want to, you can even drag to rearrange the order of your PDFs. Say you want the second set of 100 pages to come after the first. Just double-check it looks right. When you're happy with the order, click the Merge or Finish button. Sometimes the text changes, but it's the big button at the bottom of the screen. Wait a few seconds and Smolpt will do its thing, combining your files into one. Once it's done, you'll get a Download button. Click it, and you'll have a single PDF document with all your pages together. No more 100-page limit. And that's really it. With this workaround, you're free to design massive documents in Canva simply by combining multiple 100-page files. It's perfect for big training manuals, full-year planners, or anything else that just won't fit into Canva's regular page cap. If you found this tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions, or share your own page limit stories below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tricks and step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.